here in Vadodara, and the AGM is going to start in about an hour and a half. I can tell you that there's quite some buzz around here. In fact, I've already met some shareholders here. As far as ICICI Bank is concerned, this will be the 24th AGM. It was scheduled to take place last month. It got rescheduled a month later today. In fact, do remember this AGM holds special importance to shareholders because this is their chance to get many unanswered questions clarified. We are given to understand Chanda Kochar will not be attending the AGM today, but this will be the first one to be presided by the new chairman, GC Chaturvedi. To this end, this AGM will throw a lot of light on what really the strategy for ICICI Bank going forward will be. It will be important in terms of giving some assurance to investors who have been a bit jittery since March, or ever since whistleblower complaints came to fore, ever since there have been allegations against Chanda Kochar and ICICI Bank pertaining to quid pro quo, also conflict of interest charges and corporate governance lapses. All these allegations are being investigated by an independent panel that is being superseded by Justice B.N. Sri Krishna, who is heading the panel and looking into all these whistleblower complaints that have come in. Also, specifically the Vidicon loan case and other 31 NPA loan accounts are also being scrutinized, and the role of the bank and MD and CEO are being looked into. You have CBI that is also probing the role of Chanda Kochar, her husband, and Venugopal Dhoot pertaining to the Vidicon loan case. All these investigations are ongoing. Allegations have not been substantiated, but naturally, as far as investors are concerned, there is some amount of concern, and today could be the platform wherein much of this could be addressed by the board members. Of course, we also will get an idea as to what the strategy for the bank is going to be going forward, what the focus is going to be going forward, and we'll keep you posted with more developments through the day.